1000 LB sisters Tammy Slaton soars high goes on her first ziplining ride up in the sky in an inspiring and heartwarming new chapter of her journey. Tammy Slaton, one of the beloved stars of the hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, recently took a bold leap out of her comfort zone to experience the thrill of ziplining for the very first time. Fans of the show have watched Tammy through many highs and lows, witnessing her battles with weight, health struggles, and emotional challenges. But this time, Tammy soared high above the ground, literally, and gave her supporters a fresh glimpse of courage and determination. Ziplining is an adventurous outdoor activity that involves gliding along a suspended cable from one platform to another, often high up in the trees or over scenic landscapes. For someone like Tammy, whose mobility and health concerns have been a significant part of her story, taking such an exhilarating activity was both a major accomplishment and a testament to her evolving confidence. The day began with Tammy arriving at the ziplining park, accompanied by close friends and family who supported her every step of the way. The staff at the park ensured that all safety measures were in place, fitting Tammy with the appropriate harness and gear suited for her size and comfort. Despite her initial nerves, Tammy's radiant smile and infectious laughter quickly won over everyone present. As Tammy climbed the platform, a mix of excitement and apprehension could be seen on her face. It was clear that this moment was about more than just the thrill, it was a symbol of overcoming fears and embracing new experiences. The lush green canopy stretched beneath her, and the wind whispered promises of freedom and exhilaration. When it was her turn to take off, Tammy held onto the handles tightly, took a deep breath, and launched herself forward. The feeling of soaring through the air brought a sense of joy and liberation that few moments in Tammy's life had offered before. The rush of wind, the breathtaking views, and the adrenaline coursing through her veins combined to create a powerful and unforgettable experience. For a brief moment, Tammy was weightless, flying above the trees, and unburdened by the struggles that often weigh her down. The ziplining adventure also brought a powerful message to viewers and fans worldwide. It showcased Tammy's resilience and willingness to push boundaries, encouraging others facing challenges to find their own moments of courage and joy. The 1000 LB Sisters star's journey has always been about more than just weight loss, it's about personal growth, self-acceptance, and the pursuit of happiness despite obstacles. Social media quickly lit up with clips and photos from Tammy's ziplining day, drawing cheers and congratulations from fans and fellow reality stars alike. Many praised Tammy for taking such a brave step and celebrated the positivity and strength she continues to embody. Her ziplining adventure reminded everyone that life's greatest rewards often come from daring to try something new, even when it feels scary. Behind the scenes, Tammy's support system played a crucial role in making the day successful. Family members, who have stood by her through thick and thin, offered encouragement and love. Their belief in Tammy's potential has always been a cornerstone of her progress. This outing was no different, reflecting the power of a strong support network in achieving personal milestones. The ziplining experience also highlighted Tammy's ongoing efforts to improve her health and quality of life. While weight and health issues remain a challenge, moments like these illustrate that progress is not just measured in pounds or numbers but in experiences and confidence gained along the way. Tammy's willingness to engage in adventurous activities signals a positive shift in her mindset and physical capability. Fans have often expressed concern and hope for Tammy's well-being. Her openness about struggles with weight, mental health, and family dynamics has fostered a deep connection with audiences. Seeing Tammy zipline was a joyous reminder that she is more than her challenges and continues to seek happiness and fulfillment. This adventure adds a new layer to Tammy Slaton's inspiring story, showing that even in the face of adversity, there is room for joy, fun, and growth. It challenges stereotypes and encourages a more compassionate understanding of people's journeys. Tammy's courage to step into the unknown, to literally soar above her fears, resonates far beyond the ziplining course. As Tammy Slaton's ziplining day concludes, the 1000 LB Sisters community eagerly awaits what new experiences and milestones lie ahead for her. Her story is a living testament to the human spirit's capacity to strive, to adapt, and to find happiness in unexpected places. This sky-high adventure is a beautiful reminder that everyone, regardless of their circumstances, deserves moments of exhilaration and triumph. Through every twist and turn of her life's path, Tammy continues to inspire millions. Whether facing health battles or embracing thrilling new activities, her journey is a powerful narrative of strength, vulnerability, and hope. The image of Tammy soaring through the sky on that zipline stands as a metaphor for her ongoing fight to rise above difficulties and claim joy on her own terre. In the world of reality TV and beyond, Tammy Slaton's ziplining experience will be remembered not just as a fun outing but as a symbol of bravery and transformation. It sends a clear message that no matter how high the obstacles or how daunting the challenge, it is possible to take flight and embrace life with open arms. Fans and supporters continue to rally around Tammy, eager to see her soar even higher in all aspects of her life. The ziplining adventure is a new chapter in her unfolding story, a story of a woman who dares to face her fears, lift herself up, and show the world the true meaning of courage and joy. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.